Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Felicia and this tutorial is a simple eyeshadow look that you can use for any occasion, a party, a wedding, anything, even for a bride. It works perfectly. So I'm going in my LA Opal concealer in the shade Toffee, and I will use that as my primer for my eyeshadow. I'm just going to get that onto my lid, making sure I don't miss any spots. Yeah. My concealer in place, I went in with my Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder. Yes, that's it, in the darker shade. I think it's called dark. Yes, in dark. And I just used that to set the concealer because it's a bit sticky and all, and really want this look to be as simple and light as possible. With the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, this is an ultra eyeshadow palette, I will go in with that brown shade just to define my crease more. This amazing palette has 32 shades. All these shades are neutral shades, I'm meaning brown, white with some shimmery colors, with brown shimmer. There's also black as well, dark colors that work perfectly and give very nice neutral and simple eyeshadow looks. And from that same Makeup Revolution palette, I'll go in with that black shade and use it on the outer corner of my eyes. Clean brush, I'll just use that to blend out everything, or the eyeshadow that I've used so far, just to give it a nice flowy look. And as you hold your brush, as you're blending, try to hold it at the end of the brush, so that you know it's just a light passing through the eyelid, so you don't smudge or destroy any makeup that you have done so far. And as you keep applying your eyeshadow, feel free to build it up a little more. You can add more black, more brown, just to define the look more. If you want a stronger, bolder look, you can go ahead and you do a cut crease, but for this look we won't be doing a cut crease this time. Going with the brown shimmer shade from my Freedom makeup palette. I'll leave the name in the description box, and I'll just use that shimmer shade to add a bit more brightness to my eyes. Like this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with everyone. satisfied with my eyeshadow look, I will just use my MAC gel eyeliner to just line my eyes on my upper eyelid, and I don't really line on the lower one, not yet used to that, but with time I know I will get used to lining my lower lid. My Max Factor Clumdify mascara, I'll just apply a thin coat to my eyelashes and then go on to put on my false lashes. Then I'll go in with my Makeup Revolution Superfruit Extract serum, and I'll use that as a primer. It really feels good on the skin, it's mattifying, and then it has a very nice scent, really nice. Then I will use my Black Opal foundation. This is in the shade Ebony Brown. I decided to get another shade because it's a bit too light for me. Yeah, I will then apply the brown and black shades, the eyeshadow shades that I used on my lower lash lid. So I'll use a dark brown eyeshadow shade as my reverse contour. Okay, for my reverse contour. I'm sorry guys, I already did my contouring off camera, and I used the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso, and I went in with my Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder just to set up everything. Then I use this highlighter from Makeup Revolution. I'll leave the name in the description box below just to highlight the areas where the light hits my face. Then line my lips with the Davis eye pencil and use the NYX Butter Gloss for a nude lip. And that is the finished look. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!